What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got some from Fintiso. They kind of reached out to me asking if I could check out one of their knives. Of course, I said yes because I've actually heard some pretty decent things about them lately. Um, don't remember what it's called. The user manual. Oh, okay. So this is about them, kind of about Fintiso. They have some knives that kind of look similar to other knives in ways. Like this reminds me of the Nightshade from Bastide, Thunderbird kind of ish. Different variations. I'm not saying they're knockoffs, but they look similar in a way. But that's not bad though. But they honestly, any knife you get these days is gonna look like some another knife. So honestly, to me, it's not a big deal. It don't matter to me. Every knife looks like some other knife in some way or whatever. I don't get too butthurt on it because I still like the knives normally. So I did actually check out the Falcon. I actually kind of liked it. I got to check out the black version, black handle with the blue little backspacer. Like that. Thought it was real cool. But right here we have the Parrot, the gray Parrot. I remember that. It's what we all get. So we got the knife, got a cloth, nice little cloth right there. Okay, okay. Screws right here. Extra screws. Got a sticker and got a scan it to join the Fintiso outdoor customer service and secondary sales community. Okay, cool, cool. So how about we check out this knife now, shall we? Like I said, I've been hearing a lot about Fintiso lately. I was kind of excited to check them out. Glad I got the opportunity. And I've seen some other people check this knife out already. So I was like, yeah, I want to check it out myself. So heck yeah. Come on now. Okay. All right. Okay, there we go. Just got to figure it out. There we go. It's not bad. I don't like thumb flicking a whole lot. I just never have been really into thumb flick. But it's not bad. I like that. No jimping on it. It's kind of a sad day, but that's all right. Definitely kind of almost feels like it's lubed up. I don't see anything really. Um, see some little specks on the blade. Kind of see them on the camera. There you go. A little bit on the camera. I don't know if that's just like a little grime stuff like that. I'll have to try to clean that off later. Maybe that's what it is. I'm not quite sure. Some of it's not coming off though. Just as long as I don't cut myself. Yeah, it's still there a little bit. I just smeared it. See what went away. Nope, they're still there. Some little specks right there. I don't know what's up with that. I didn't see any on the other videos I saw. I think one was on G-Ball. I can't remember who did the other one. Maybe that was Miguel's EDC. I think I saw it on there. Yeah, I think it was Miguel's EDC and G-Ball Vision. Cool channels. Go check them out too. They're pretty good guys. Um, Ergonomically, I like it. Pretty simple. Pretty like neutral. Feels pretty good in hand though. I love the sheep's foot. Love the blade shape. I'm always a big fan of sheep's foot and Warncliffe. Um, Thumb studs are a little smaller. Not bad though. They really work really well. No blade play really at all. Like there's none. Locks up pretty well. So not bad there. I like that. It's always good when it locks up pretty well. You know what I mean? Pocket clip is kind of flat. Very flat actually. Um, I don't know how well I like the bill of that. I wish it was up a little bit higher. I feel like it might have problems on my jeans. It actually, well, maybe not. It bends pretty well. So that may not be too bad at all. This is aluminum. I'm sure this is steel of some sort of the pocket clip. It is recessed as well as the screw, so that's always fantastic. And same, it's reversible also, so awesome. Not a filler tab, but that's all right though. I like a filler tab normally. It's just that little bit of a extra that extra mile. You know what I mean? It always makes me feel a little better, and it just I don't know. I guess I don't touch it really. Yeah, I can touch it some when I do it, but it doesn't really bug me, I guess you could say. But I just prefer it. I think it looks more aesthetically pleasing to the eye if it has, that filler tab in there. I don't know about you guys, but that's how I kind of feel. All right, so it is skeletonized a little bit on the inside to help with that weight reduction. Looks like it's a, oh man, it is goofy or goopy, not goofy, but goopy. Kind of clean it up a little bit. Looks like it's got a little bit of some little gaps in between the liners and the handle. Not bad though, not too shabby. They're a new company too, so they're obviously they're probably trying to figure things out, kind of work and see what works best for them, and also listen to the EDC community stuff like that, the knife community. And I don't knock like smaller brands because everybody starts small. Like Remet, they started small, and now they're huge, and they have some great knives. They're also doing a lot of great OEM work with other companies, and my goodness, they are doing great jobs with those OEMs. And that's why I don't like to knock the smaller companies because one day they may be big or they may be doing great things. You know what I mean? And they could be a big company one day, and I like their knife right now. The thumb stud is a little bit. It looks like they're kind of small, like thin, diameter wise. I wish they probably would have put like one more little notch right there, maybe another notch or two, just to make sure extra texture, like, little extra grip, I guess. But honestly, I can't say I'm having problems with it at all, though. They flick open really well. I like the button lock; it's pretty nice. I like the whole color scheme of it, like the gray aluminum with the different. Well, I guess it's like a grayish blue aluminum. And then you have like the deep gray kind of thumb stud and the button clip or the button lock right there. And you got the gray steel liners on the inside. Like I don't know if I said it, it is skeletonized on the inside also to help with weight reduction. No lanyard hole. Oh no. Oh no. What with the lanyard hole people? What are they going to do? They'll survive, I'm sure. I think this is under $50 too, and if I want to say I saw that somewhere it's like $40 actually. 40 to 30 to $40. I think they got a sale going on. I'm not quite sure. Um, so be on the lookout for it. Check it out on Amazon. They have also a website, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I think I also checked it out on the website. So check them out. They have social media. Check them out on Instagram. I'm friends with them on there. But yeah, check these guys out. This thing looks pretty dope. I'll do a final review of it. I just wish it had a little bit of jimping on it too. But honestly, it's not too shabby. I like the way it feels. Ergonomically, feels pretty good. And not a bad little blade. I'm pretty impressed with it. I'll get a final review out for you guys here soon. And that's all I got. If you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section. And if you like the videos, leave a thumbs up. Thanks, y'all.